What is a UGC creator? Great question, but hey, if you've ever dreamed of becoming a UGC creator, stick around to the end, you're going to want to hear this. Okay, so UGC stands for user generated content. So a UGC creator is simply someone who makes content online, usually in collaboration with the brand. So it's someone making a career or at least a side hustle out of making cool content on social media. Which, by the way, check this out. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a social media creator, you need to download this app. It's called Noise, and it lets anyone start succeeding as a social media creator in just a few minutes. Even if you have zero experience, zero followers, and never ever want to get in front of a camera. Here's how it works. Noise partners with all kinds of cool apps and brands who need help getting content made about their products. It connects them with new creators like you. All you have to do is download the Noise app, find any brands that are interesting to you, and post the content that the brand has already made for you. That's right, you don't even have to make the content from scratch. They've already done the hard work for you. The brand then rewards you for every single view you get right on the Noise app. The more you post, the more views you get, the more you grow. Forever. So go download the Noise app on the App Store.